Assalamualaikum. The discussion today is about model to track development level based on Maslahah. This model that we will discuss has three important objectives. The first one is to track the level of development in a society. Number two, to set and then understand priorities of development in the society. And lastly, the model is useful to strategize development plan in the future. Now, this is the model. It has two dimensions. The first one, the horizontal hierarchy, where we measure level of development based on Maqasid elements, such as the first one, daruriyat, or basic necessities. The second level here is hajiyat, or convenience, and the third level is tahsiniyat, or embellishment. For the vertical hierarchy, it measures the social development. First, we look at level at the household level, and then number two, societal level, number three, at a national level, then regional, and lastly global or world level. Based on the two dimensions earlier, the natural initial point for progress to take place is indicated by X here, where at a very basic level, the daruriyat level, and at an individual level, that's where we put it as X. From here, an individual can continue the progress to develop himself or the society, where this can be shown by the level of development as for the individual along this particular path, where first the individual would focus more towards himself and his households, moving to improve the basic needs to hajiyat's level along this path, and then can continue beyond that towards moving the tahsiniyat. Alternatively, there's another possibilities where this particular person and then individuals together in the society can choose this path, where development progress starts from daruriyat at an individual or household level, moving to improve at the societal level and then national level. From here, focus can also continues to go to the regional level and then up to the global level, achieving level Y here. And this is a very ideal situation. At the global stage, we achieved good living conditions depicted by tahsiniyat or embellishment fulfillment. There are also other possibilities, such as point W here, where the progress of development can be from this individual level, moving vertically from individual to the society and then national level, and then continues towards global fulfillment of the Daruriyat World Bank agenda in the year 2030 to eradicate hardcore poverty can be one example of this kind of development progress. What we can say so far is that the first quadrant here is a very critical focus for the development, particularly for a nation or a country, because if we start at this level, we try to fulfill the daruriyats and then to achieve a convenience level, and this can be a stage where a country achieve a middle income level. Definitely the country wants to improve further, maybe to focus towards tahsiniyat. But remember, as a Muslim, thinking as one ummah means that we should not just confine our development based on national agenda, rather national agenda rather global agenda or ummatic agenda should also be the focus. So development focus for the ummah can be at a national level, where every Muslim countries then start to get together to improve the situation of the ummah. That means we go from national focus towards the focus of the ummah. That means ummah at a regional level or global level. It can be fulfillment of convenience of the ummah, or slowly we go through this path. Apart from convenience, we also can focus on the tahsiniyat achievement, and not to forget possibility that agenda should be focusing more on the fulfillment of daruriyat of many other poor Muslim countries, because many Muslim countries are in the category of poor or low middle income class. The first quadrant is really a struggle to the ummah now. In terms of the application of this model, let's look at the case of waqaf as a tool for development. When we have waqaf properties, how should these properties be utilized? Definitely, the one who give waqaf has the right to decide, but those who want to give waqaf needs to make an informed decision with a clear understanding of what are the priorities or need of the ummah. For example, in a society where daruriyat is a big issue, waqaf should focus more on daruriyat fulfillment. Maybe when we talk about family waqaf, maybe we can talk about fulfillment of daruriyat for the household needs, family needs, or maybe much higher daruriyat at a societal need, or in a case where the nation or the society has reached the level of convenience, maybe waqaf can then be used to improve living conditions, fulfillment of comfort, or maybe tahsiniyat. I think that's some of the example I can share. For any comments, please write down below. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Wassalam.